Miss Chanel Jandayan.
Burst in tears with me tonight. I would live with you for just a little while, but I love him the same way as I love you now. And I'm sorry I can't